Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we're looking at my 1961 Chevy C10, and we had it all fit: the doors, the fenders, the hood, the front end. Today is January 14th. Just wanted to do an update. So we blew it all apart, and we got to do, today we're going to work on the doors. And I'll show you this other door. We're going to, Lynn's gonna put mud on the doors, get all the little dents fixed. Here's the driver's door. So I wasn't here last weekend, but you can see he welded all this. We gotta grind that, and then I gotta sand all this down to bare metal. I've got the passenger door done already, and I'll go back over and show you that. But I got to sand this down to bare metal once he's done. And then I think I mentioned it's January 14th, and by the end of February, our goal is to have the truck completely painted. We also got the rear axle and got that painted, got the gears in, got the angle set. Still need to buy the drive shaft. Got the cover, we just haven't done that yet. There's my gas tank. So, little progress update. Haven't posted a video lately. Let me show you this door. So you can see I've got this sanded down to bare metal, and that's what I'll do with the driver's door today. Got the sound deadening in. Still have to do the high hump. Haven't done that. I'm not gonna put sound deadening on the back. Thought about it, but I'm not gonna put sound deadening back there. And that's as high as I'm gonna go on the sound deadening on the floorboard. I gotta buy there's a kit or whatever that goes across there. So you have your carpet, and then above the carpet you have I think it's insulator or a sound deadener for your firewall. I got to get that. Want to show you one other thing. So years ago, I bought this at a swap meet, and I was showing it to Lynn, and we're going to use it as the overflow for the radiator. And Lynn took it apart. I wasn't here last week. I had a family wedding. So Lynn took it apart. We're going to mount it right here, but use that as a radiator overflow. So just haven't done a video lately. Wanted to do a quick update, and I'll post this as quickly as I can. And then today's goal, as I mentioned, is he's got a little bit more work to do on this door. He's got to weld patch that. We had to cut that in order to get the hinge, create this pocket in order to get the hinge. So then he's going to weld that up, and then I'll sand on this door, grind this all down, sand this door down, and then he's going to start on the passenger door and start mudding it in and get that all knocked out. So thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. Appreciate the support. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and comments help the algorithm with YouTube, and thumbs up help as well. Thanks again. I'll catch you on the next one.